Swansea played host to the second part of the presiding officer's tour of Wales. Rosemary Butler AM met with young people at the Red Cafe in Swansea. Set up in 2001 as a venue for young people in Mumbles, its appeal quickly spread, and now people come from all around the surrounding area. Young people from the Red Cafe have previously contributed evidence to an inquiry by the National Assembly for Wales's Children and Young People Committee on the provision of safe places to play in Wales. And they were keen to tell the presiding officer how they think the Assembly can involve them in the democratic process.
I think it's really important that young people get involved with politics, because young people are as important as anybody else, and it's important that they get their views across to people like Rosemary so that she can give our voice to the Assembly so that we're not silent.
I thought meeting the presiding officer today was good because it shows that they really want to talk to us and see our points.
She was talking to us about things that were relevant and like voting at 16 and things.
I think it's so important that young people are involved in politics because, as a number of the young people have said tonight, that they are real people, that they've got a voice, and they shouldn't have a voice in the future, but they should have a voice now. And decisions being made now are going to affect the whole of their lives.
And the presiding officer was clearly impressed with what she heard.
They don't just come and play ping pong or have coffee. They actually select issues, put what they want to talk about in a box, and they pull out that suggestion and then they discuss it. They do a lot of fair trade, which is really wonderful. And they talk about social issues, self-harming, trying to help other young people. They do a lot of work for charity. So it's really quite an impressive setup here. My reason of being here is to try and persuade them that they should get involved in democratic issues, look at what's happening in civil society, and hopefully one day become Assembly members, councillors, members of Parliament.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.